יאללה.
קלאסי.
רגע, זה הטסט-רן, לא?
As early stage investors in young startups, we wanted to try and give you a feel for what it's like working with them. So we asked them to come into our offices. We want to throw them at a challenge that they've never seen before and see how they try and overcome problems together as a team and make it super competitive. These are competitive people. They are in it to win it.
Founders will launch from Hetz seed stage, make it through product market fit and first sales, avoid SPACs, get through growth stage, and head for that IPO. In the Hetz Drone Challenge, you either fly or fry. Let's go.
I'm Nevo. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Acumen.
Itamar, I'm the co-founder and VP R&D.
We're Acumen. We're helping dev team become more efficient and productive. And dev team love us because we save them so much time and help them focus on what matters. Itamar is the coolest guy you'll know.
He's the decision maker, and that's why he will fly the drone today. And second of all, he has like a steady hand. He can be a surgeon on another life. We aim into the top. First 5 for sure.
They've got thousands of users. Their product is all about speeding up production.
We'll see if that translates into a drone competition for them.
Yeah, Nevo.
You can see in their quick pace, moving
Yep,
fast
yep.
into first sales.
Nice. עכשיו. יופי. יאללה.
Let's get those SPACs. Oh, what encouragement from his co-founder.
Yeah, he's laughing at him.
All right, so far so good.
He's moving quickly.
מי למטה, נכון?
עכשיו תעלה. יופי. יופי, נבו.
Look at the concentration. Itamar's nervous.
I wonder if that's the same face Nevo made when he was a pilot.
יאללה, סין.
Now we see that teamwork in action.
בסדר?
סע.
Okay, here it is. If they get the IPO, they're going to have a great score.
רגוע, רגוע שמאלה. יופי. קח ימינה. תוריד, תוריד, תוריד. יופי.
Nice job, Acumen.
Yeah!
How do you think you did?
We did okay. We did okay.
What was the most challenging part?
I think pulling us up after the crash, right?
Yeah.
He's used to something much more faster, and we think that Wilco jammed the controls, so others will not be succeeding.
35, man.
Nice!
Oh, yeah. There we go.
In your face, Wilco!
Yeah, man.